this out.
It wasn't my fault. I'm trying to upload it from my phone.
Chocolate milk. Can you get me some milk, please?
Yes.
Yes! I just got mine! Good job!
You're on camera. I've been recording.
You're on camera. Yes!
It's in the fridge.
You need to show
It's in the fridge.
Yeah.
What?
It's just part of it. I gotta show you. I bring out the other portion. Go grab that.
Yes!
Were you blocking the camera?
No.
Don't do that!
It's a show.
Honey, can you hear us?
Go scare him.
Idiot! Why are you sleeping here, man? Oh, my heart. You're so funny.
Will you give me a glass?
Yeah, you want some? Give us milk, please. Who wants some milk?
Me.
Grab 2%.
So. Last our conversation.
Oh, Chantry.
Yeah. What's Scott doing now?
I asked him.
Improv.
You, my friend, better.
Oh, Lindsay, it's loaded.
That's not good.
Lindsay, come
Will
here.
you grab me a water?
Come and get it.
Me?
Yeah, just grab it. Bottom shelf.
Yeah, there's some water inside the fridge there.
Yes! Me!
That was good.
She totally blew you off with the milk.
I know. I didn't have to go.
Your entire apartment over here in there.
We're all looking really good.
You succeeded.
It's loading. I need some water. Can you give me some water?
Oh, sure.
Bottom left. Hey, will you grab
It's
me
in
some?
the fridge.
Bottom left
It's
is the fridge.
Oh, we broke it! I broke it!
I came all the way over here for that. Stop!
Right here.
Yes!
We found this one.
And that was too
Guys,
adorable.
I broke our...
Oh, cool. You writing out checks?
You wrote me one for $1,000 for being his best friend.
I will take one for $1 million for being your roommate. Payable to Doug Howell.
Okay. Will do. I don't know how to spell your name.
Oh.
Shoot.